Good day, everyone. My name is Dinesharajan Naidu, and this is my partner.
My name is MOGANAKUMARAN MUNUSAMY.
And today we will be presenting our case study 2, which for embedded Internet of Things. And our application in smart home is secure high-speed Wi-Fi. And these are our group members, myself, Dinesharajan Naidu, and MOGANAKUMARAN. And just to start off, I'll be talking about common Wi-Fi issues. First off is slow Wi-Fi in certain rooms or everywhere in the house, and high latency, which means very slow connection speeds. And drops in internet speeds is when you're using the Wi-Fi and suddenly the internet speeds just drop and becomes unusable and very annoying essentially, and no internet access even though the Wi-Fi is connected. So that could be a problem with the Wi-Fi itself or even the router or the cables. Now, just to introduce what is our application, what is secure high-speed Wi-Fi? It is a system where wireless internet is secure from security threats such as hackers or information leakage, and enables users to surf the World Wide Web with a stable and smooth experience without those internet drops or high latency. And common Wi-Fi issues, like I said just now, can be solved or at least mitigated. And examples of applications of technology in Wi-Fi that we are going to explain today are Wi-Fi 6 compatible device and mesh Wi-Fi. Next up will be Wi-Fi 6 by Moganakumaran.
Now I'm gonna talk about Wi-Fi 6. So first of all, what does Wi-Fi 6 do? Wi-Fi 6 expands the Wi-Fi band from 80 megahertz to 160 megahertz, doubling the channel width and creating a faster connection from your computer to the device. With Wi-Fi 6, you can also enjoy 8K movies, large file downloads and uploads, and responsive smart home devices, and all without buffering. Next, how does it help solve Wi-Fi issues? It allows more devices to connect simultaneously to an access point. Next, increase in connection speed with further range. Finally, produces a more stable connection. Okay, for example, iPhone 13 is compatible for Wi-Fi 6, and this is our Wi-Fi 6 router lah. Next. Now, benefits of Wi-Fi 6. Data transfer speeds has increased tremendously, up to 10 GBs for a much more stable connection. And next, able to stream 8K and 4K videos. Next benefit is connection with multiple devices have became more efficient. Example, less latency with better bandwidth distribution, and drops in speeds due to multiple devices mitigated. Next benefit is increased battery life for devices using Wi-Fi 6. Example, enables low power devices such as smartphones to utilize the Wi-Fi 6 connection. Example devices are iPhone 13, Samsung Galaxy S21, and so more lah.
Next up, I will be talking about mesh Wi-Fi. And what does mesh Wi-Fi do? It uses two or more devices called nodes to create a strong and secure Wi-Fi network. Each node serves as a chain in the network, allowing seamless Wi-Fi distribution. And even the nodes that are the furthest away from the router can still deliver a strong connection. How does this help with Wi-Fi issues? Well, it's like having separate routers in your house, but all share the same Wi-Fi network. This allows your phone to connect from one node to the other as nodes communicate with one another in order to determine the fastest band for your devices, such as your smartphone, and to reroute the traffic in the event that one node fails with its self-healing technology. So if one node in the mesh Wi-Fi network fails, it will reroute the whole network to accommodate that failed node. And benefits of mesh Wi-Fi is better coverage. It uses a network instead of a single point of access, which is a single router, and it allows a more stable connection as the nodes work together in that network to ensure a strong wireless network. Dead zones are mitigated, so places where the Wi-Fi is weak are called dead zones, and mesh networks eliminate these as the nodes provide a continuous link no matter where you are in the room, as they spread the Wi-Fi all over the house where the nodes are placed. And smartphone management is a user-friendly smartphone app which helps to manage the mesh network at home and identifies issues within the network, such as a failed node can be identified and if in the future can be replaced. And these are examples of mesh Wi-Fi. So to the left is a mesh Wi-Fi device, mesh Wi-Fi nodes, and to the right is how the nodes are placed and create a mesh Wi-Fi network. So as you can see, these 5 nodes are placed all over the house to create a big bubble of network. And these are the websites that we use to get the information for Wi-Fi 6 and mesh Wi-Fi. And also a bit of knowledge on routers and also mesh Wi-Fi systems from MOGANAKUMARAN and myself.
That's all from us, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has helped you with your Wi-Fi trouble. Thank you.